Unless
We
will have
acknowledge
it
the
tomorrow.
contribution of all the members
Okay.
for having this exhaustive and lengthy discussion on whether or not the recital of facts actually constitute an offense determinative of the jurisdiction of the Justice Committee, no? We've heard significant discussions on the needed ultimate facts, that there must be specific details for us to be able to substantiate the offense which constitute the ground for impeachment. We've heard also discussion about the need for authenticity of not only the records but even the video. We've heard also about the need for personal knowledge with respect to the allegations of the facts in the impeachment complaint, as well as the nexus, which was repeatedly mentioned by the Honorable De Lima. It's not enough that the impeachable offense is, or the impeachable official is guilty of an offense. That offense must constitute a ground for impeachment, no? I hope that all our significant discussions will be used by the honorable members of the committee when we vote on whether or not the impeachment complaint of De Jesus is sufficient in substance. In that regard, I wish to share to the committee that the chair is in receipt of request to do the voting on the sufficiency in substance of De Jesus' complaint on our succeeding meeting, that is tomorrow. The reason is to give time to the members of the committee to ponder, decipher, evaluate all the comments and opinions we've heard today. So, if all the members are amenable to that, contrary to what we did yesterday, we concluded our deliberation already about the sufficiency in substance of De Jesus' complaint, but we will be voting on this tomorrow afternoon after we are done with our deliberation on the sufficiency of substance of the Masa et al. Complaint. We wish to seek also the understanding of the endorsers and even the complainants in Masa et al. Complaint. Medyo naging exhaustive po ang ating discussion, and we want to give time to the members of the committee to recharge, to have a fresh mind when they listen to the manifestation of position of the endorsers of the Masa et al. Complaint. So, on that point, if the endorsers and the complainants as well as the members are all amenable, we will be listening to the manifestation of position on sufficiency and substance of Masa et al. Complaint tomorrow, that is Wednesday, and we will be voting on the sufficiency in substance of both the De Jesus complaint and the Masa et al. Complaint tomorrow as well. Do all the members agree to that? If so, if there are no other matters you would like to discuss in today's hearing, then the chair is suspending our today's hearing until tomorrow, February 4, 2026, 10 o'clock in the morning. The members present today are considered informed in today's hearing. Our hearing is suspended.